Hello, my friends. Welcome to my mommy's practice. Let's begin.
This practice will be an awesome, well-rounded Vinyasa yoga practice. Begin in a child's pose. With your big toes together, your knees wide. Walk your hands forward. Rest your forehead towards your mat. Close your eyes. Turn your attention inward. Take deep breaths into your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. Begin to breathe now all through your nose. Create a steady, even rhythm of breath. Rise up to tabletop onto your hands, your knees. Cow cat. Inhale. Tilt your tailbone up. Drop your belly, look forward. Exhale, tuck your tailbone round your spine, chin to your chest. 2 more. Back bend, inhale. Round, exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Neutral spine. Walk your hands a couple inches forward. Downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your knees, hips back. Move yourself around here. Pedal your heels. Inhale, plank. Bring your shoulders forward over your wrists. Down dog. Exhale, hips back. 2 more. Plank, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Plank. Down dog. Walk your feet forward to your hand to the top of your mat. Let your arms, your head dangle. Tuck your tailbone, roll yourself up to stand. Inhale, your arms wide overhead. Reach up, look up. Fold forward, exhale. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Pull your chest forward. Exhale, step back to plank. Stay for a breath in. Exhale, dancing lion. Set your knees down behind your hips and create big circles with your body. Switch your direction, go the other way. Circle back into child's pose. Big toes together, hips back. Walk your hands, your upper body to your right, lengthen through your left side. Walk through center to your left, lengthening through your right side. Walk through the center. Lift up to tabletop. Forearm plank. Lower down one elbow into the other. Step your legs straight back. Pull your low belly up and in. Shift forward and back off your toes. Center. Sphinx. Lower your hips. Tops your feet down as you lift your chest. Now turn your head. Look to your right. Look to your left. Look forward. Place your hands together, your elbows wide. Rest one side of your face down. Bend both your knees. Windshield wiper your legs side to side. Lower your feet down to your mat. Place your hands on the mat under your shoulders. Cobra, lift your chest, inhale. Lower, exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Rise. And release. Now I'll have you grow into your upward dog from here. So straighten your arms, lift your chest, press into the tops of your feet, lift your hips. Move your body a little side to side. Take a breath in. Your exhale, downward dog. Tuck your toes, press back. Find stillness and a deep breath into your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. Ragdoll at the back of your mat. Walk your hands backward. Bend your elbows to cross your arms. Let your head dangle here. Move around. Sway, shift. Release your arms down. Tuck your tailbone. Roll yourself up to stand. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Scrunch them up. Exhale, release your shoulders down your back. Inhale, your arms wide overhead. Reach up, look up. Exhale, your hands to your heart center. Interlace everything but your index fingers. Arms straight up, inhale. Side bend right, exhale. Straight up, inhale. And to your left, exhale. Lift straight up. Fold forward, exhale. Inhale, plank. Walk your hands to the top of your mat. Downward dog, exhale. Press your hips back. Lift your right leg up, inhale. Plank, knee to your nose, exhale. Shift forward. Three-legged dog, right leg back. Crescent lunge. Step your right foot between your hands. Chest and arms up. Hook your thumbs together overhead and take a side bend to your right. Option to look up under your left arm. Lift straight back up, inhale. Exhale, lean halfway forward, reach your arms back. Airplane takeoff, lift your left leg. In your airplane, point and flex your left foot. Circle it both directions. Just for an inhale, rise to stand. Arms up, left knee towards your chest. Then back to your airplane. Leg back, arms at your sides. Return crescent lunge. Left foot to the back of the mat, arms up. Place your hands together at your heart. Lean forward to twist left elbow outside your right knee. Press more into your right heel. Lift your chest towards your thumbs. Keep your breath steady. Your exhale, downward dog. Plant your hands, step and press back. Inhale, plank. Modified side plank, exhale. Bend your right knee, set it under your hip. Kick on your right foot just behind you. Left heel down, left arm up. Reach your left arm overhead by your ear. Big circles with your left arm. Switch, go the other way. Circle your left arm straight up. Float your left leg into balance. Bend your knee. See if you can grab your foot behind you. Pull your heel in tightly to your hip. Keep a hold of your foot. Kick away. Float your leg straight back, your arm up. Tabletop, lower your hand, lower your knee. Now in your tabletop, reach your right arm straight out to the side. Inhale, reach it up to the ceiling or sky here, look up. Exhale, thread the needle, reach your right arm under your left, but hover above the floor. Inhale, right arm out and up, look up. Thread through, exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale, thread through, lower your shoulder and the side of your head down. Stay or reach your left arm straight up, wrap it behind your back. Actively press your right arm down to feel your left shoulder back. Gently unravel into tabletop. Left hand down, right hand down. I'll tuck your toes under behind you. Squat at the back of your mat. Walk your hands backward as you lift your knees. Reach your hips down. You can stay here, maybe hands to heart. Or if you want to give crow a go, plant your hands, knees to the backs of your arms, lean. Maybe you float your feet. More breaths. If you're in crow, set your feet back down. We'll meet in ragdoll, legs straighter. Just let your arms, head dangle right towards your mat. Bend one knee as you straighten the other leg. Shift side to side. Center. Tuck your tailbone, roll up to stand. Inhale your arms wide overhead. Reach up, look up. Fold forward, exhale. Inhale, plank. Hands to the top of your mat. Down dog, exhale. Press your hips back. Left leg up, inhale. Plank, knee to nose, exhale. Three-legged dog, inhale, reach back. Crescent lunge, exhale your foot between your hands. Rise, chest, arms up overhead. Hook your thumbs together and take a side bend to your left. Maybe look up under your right arm. Lift straight up, inhale. Exhale, lean halfway forward, arms back. Airplane takeoff, lift your right leg. Rise to stand for an inhale. Arms up, right knee towards your chest. Exhale, airplane. Arms back, right leg back. Crescent lunge. Step your right foot back, arms up. Set your twist, hands to your heart. Shift forward, right elbow outside your left knee. Lift your chest towards your thumbs. Breath strong and steady. Your exhale, downward dog. Hands down, step back. Inhale, plank. Modified side plank, left knee under your hip. Kickstand your foot behind you, right heel down, right arm up. Arm overhead, big circles, right arm. Switch, go the other way. Right arm straight up. Lift your right leg. Bend your knee, grab your foot if it's in your reach, pull your heel into your hip. Keep a hold of your foot, kick away. Float your leg straight back, your arm up. Tabletop, lower your hand, lower your knee. Reach your left arm straight out to your side. Inhale, reach your arm up, look up. Exhale, thread the needle, hover. Reach your left arm under your right. Inhale, your left arm out and up, reach up. Thread through, exhale. Inhale. Thread through, exhale, lower your shoulder, the side of your head. Stay just like this, or right arm up, maybe behind your back. Actively press your left arm down. Unwind, tabletop, right hand down, left hand down. Squat at the back of the mat, tuck your toes, lift your knees, walk back. Same options, so you can stay in squat or crows, another opportunity to play and explore. If you're in crow, return your feet back down. We'll meet in ragdoll again. Toes forward, upper body dangles. Now this time just wrap your arms around the backs of your legs. See if you can reach for your own elbows, forearms, or hands. Release your arms down, tuck your tailbone, roll up to stand. Right side tree pose. Bend your right knee and place your right foot anywhere inside your left leg. Hands at your heart center. Look down is a good starting point to ground yourself. But if you feel comfortable, maybe arms up, or you can shift your gaze forward or up. Find your edge. Lean into it and breathe. Place your hands to your heart. Keep them here, right knee through center. Feet together. Interlace everything but your index fingers. Arms straight up, inhale. Side bend left, exhale. Lift straight up. Hands to heart. Left side tree. Place your left foot inside your right leg with the knee out wide. Hands at your heart. Or as you grow more comfortable, maybe arms up or look up. Hands to your heart. Keep them here. Left knee through center. Release, feet together. Interlace everything but your index fingers. Arms straight up, inhale. Side bend right, exhale. Lift straight up, inhale. Hands to your heart, exhale as you bend your knees into chair. Set your twist left elbow outside your right knee. Option to open up your arms here or side crows. Bring your hands down. Twisting arm balance. Your exhale, fold forward. Let your upper body dangle. Slow roll up to stand. Hands to your heart. Chair, bend your knees. Twist other side, right elbow outside your left knee. Maybe open up the arms or side crow, second side. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, plank. Walk your hands to the top of your mat. Side plank, heels to your right. Reach your left arm straight up. Look up towards your left thumb. Switch sides. Left hand down. Take your heels left. Right arm up. See if you can look up towards your right thumb. Right hand down, plank. Downward dog. Press your hips back. Lift your right leg up. Inhale. Plank, knee to right arm. Exhale. Three-legged dog. Reach back. Warrior two. Right foot between hands. Windmill up to your left. Eagle your arms. Wrap your left arm under your right either once or twice. Wrap a second time. Lift your elbows. Now look forward over your right shoulder. Look behind you over your left shoulder. Reach your arms out wide. Reverse your warrior. Left hand to left leg, right arm up. Reach back. Triangle, straighten your right leg, tip forward. Right hand down, left arm up. Option to look up towards your left hand. Shift your gaze down, half moon, lean forward. Right hand down, float your left leg up. Shavasana option here, bend your left knee, left hand reaches for your foot. Release your left foot back if you have a hold. Step warrior two, land softly. Reverse your warrior inhale. Exhale, windmill your hands down, frame your right foot, lift your left heel. Now set your left knee down behind your hip. Pull your hips back over your knee and slide your right leg straighter, half split. Lengthen halfway, inhale. Exhale, fold over your right leg. Lunge forward, bend your right knee over your ankle. Keep your left hand down, reach your right arm up in a twist. Arms straight back. Either bend your left knee, grab your foot, kick away, or take your arm behind your back. Either way, press your hips more forward as you lift your chest. Release, right hand forward outside your right foot. Tuck your left foot, lift your left knee, three-legged dog. Right leg back with an open hip. Right side pigeon. Right knee behind right wrist with your shin angled in. Bring your bring your hips closer to the floor. Fold forward to your elbows or rest your head down. And settle into the sound of your breath. Walk your hands in. Tuck your back foot, step into plank. Stay for a breath in. Down dog, exhale, hips back. Left leg up, inhale. Plank, knee to left arm, exhale. Three-legged dog, reach back. Warrior two, left foot between hands, windmill up to your right. Eagle your arms, right arm under left, either once or wrap a second time. Look forward over your left shoulder. Look behind you over your right shoulder. Reach your arms out wide, reverse your warrior. Right hand to right leg, left arm up, and then side bend to reach back. Triangle, pass through center, straighten your left leg, tip forward. Left hand down, right arm up, look to the side or up. Look down, half moon, lean forward, left hand down, float your right leg up. Stay or Chopasana, bend your right knee, right hand reaches for your foot. If you have your right foot, release gently. Step warrior two. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Exhale, windmill your hands down. Frame your left foot, lift the right heel. Now set your knee down behind your hip, half split. Pull your hips back. Straighten your left leg some and fold forward. Rebend left knee forward. Keep your right hand down, left arm up. Reach it back either for the half wrap or bend your right knee, grab your foot, kick it away. Transition into three-legged dog. Left hand to the top of your mat. Lift your right knee. Sweep your left leg up and back. Open the hip. Find your pigeon. Left knee behind left wrist. Your shin angles in a comfortable amount for your hip and knee. Ground your hips. Fold forward. Listen to the sound of each breath. Walk your hands in, tuck your back foot. Step into plank. A breath in. Down dog, exhale. Shift forward plank. We're lowering all the way to the belly, so feel free to set your knees down first. Bend your elbows, come on down. Right, keep your left hand where it is and reach your right arm straight out to the side. Maybe you even walk the hand away from you a little. Bend your left knee. Press into your left hand to stack your left hip over your right. Your left foot might find the floor here. Option to bring your left arm up and behind your back. Roll your left knee up to the sky and think of your left hip reaching for the floor behind you. Roll to the front of your body and reset with both hands on the mat under your shoulders. Cobra inhale. Lower exhale. Left arm out to the side. Again, walk the hand a little away from you. Bend your right knee. Press into your right hand to stack your right hip over the left. You can stay here using the right hand or take it behind your back. Roll to the front of your body, both hands under shoulders. One more cobra inhale. Lower exhale. Lift up table. Sleeping child, keep your legs, feet hip width apart there. Press your hips back. Arms at your sides with your palms up. Let your shoulders round, your spine round. Take deep breaths to fill up the back side of your body. As you exhale, let every cell in your body relax. A couple more deep breaths with that in mind. One more. Reach your hands forward, lift up to table. Bring yourself around to seat. From a seated position, place both your hands behind you with your fingers pointing away and set your feet the width of your mat. Windshield wiper your knees side to side. Both your knees to the right. Bring your left hand up and around. Twist to face the back of your mat. Straight arms, lower to your elbows, or with your hands together, rest your head down. Walk your hands in, lift up. Turn to face the top of your mat. Just make sure your feet are still wide because it sets the hips, then knees to your left. Right hand up and around, twist to the back of your mat. And decide how much to lower down, elbows, or rest your head on your hands. Walk your hands in, lift up. Turn to face the top of your mat. Take your legs out wide for straddle. It's up to you if you want to turn on the mat or stay forward. Place your hands just behind you and use your hands initially to sit up tall here. If you feel a stretch, stay here. Or if you have some space, bring the hands forward and hinge forward down the center. Lift up. Bend your knees, cross your legs with your right shin in front of your left. If you practice double pigeon, if your hips allow, stack your right shin on top of your left. You just want to make sure your ankles and your knees are on top of one another here. Place your left hand to the side, reach your right arm straight up. Side bend to your left, reach up and over. Now circle your right hand around one way at the wrist, and then circle the other. Lift straight up, place your right hand behind you, your left hand to your right knee, sit up tall, and then twist, look behind you over your right shoulder. Turn just your head, look forward over your left shoulder. Keep your left hand where it is. Unwind out of your twist and bring your right hand to your left knee. So now you're crisscrossed. Cow cat. Inhale, lift your chest, look up. Exhale your chin to your chest, round and lean, press backwards. Inhale, sit up tall, lift, look up. Tuck round, exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Lift up through center. Continue to eagle the arms, either big hug variation or wrap the hands a second time. I just want you to move a little and explore. A little side bends, little shoulder arm movements. And then find your way through the center. Inhale, sit up as tall as you can. Exhale, hinge forward into a forward fold. Either let the elbows rest down, or if they don't, like mine, you just might unravel and bring your hands down. Lift up. Switch the cross to your legs. So now bring left in front of right, or those of you stacking your shins, bring the left shin on top. Start with a side bend, right hand to your side, left arm up. Then move from your spine to lean up and over to your right. Circle your left hand around one way and the other. Lift straight back up into your twist. Left hand behind you, right hand to left knee. Twist, look behind you over your left shoulder. Turn just your head to look forward and then over your right shoulder. Keep your right hand where it is. Bring your left hand up and around and place it to your right knee. So you're crisscrossed again. 3 more cow cats. Inhale, lift your chest, look up. Exhale, chin to chest, round your spine, press backwards. Lift up, inhale. Round, press back, exhale. 1 more, inhale. And exhale. Lift up through center. Eagle your arms, either big hug or wrap your hands around a second time. Create some movement here. Just explore, notice, and feel. Find center, a breath in, lift up. Exhale, fold forward. Either let the arms rest down, or if they don't, unravel and support yourself as needed. Lift up, reverse tabletop. Set your feet hip width apart, hands behind you with fingers forward, and lift your hips. Look up or drop your head back. Lower your hips. Long butterfly. Soles of your feet together, but move them forward away from your hips. So you got more of a diamond shape here. Fold forward. Let your arms, your shoulders, your spine, everything round and hang forward. Head heavy. Lift up, straighten both your legs. Fish pose. Place your hands on either side of your hips with your fingers forward. And then bring your hands underneath your hips, so you're sitting on your hands. Begin to puff your chest up already and bend your elbows backward, bring them to the floor. Again, keep puffing, lifting your chest. Let this be the highest point here, and let your head drop back. 3 deep breaths. 1 more. Chin to chest, gently lay all the way back. Release your hands. Reach them out wide. Bend your knees, set your feet to the mat. Eagle your legs, cross your right leg tightly over your left, either once or twice. Twist by dropping your knees left towards the floor. Turn your head right. Legs through center, uncross, and switch sides, left over right once or twice. Knees to your right, head to your left. Legs through center, uncross. Happy baby. Bring your knees in just wide of your rib cage. Option to reach for the outer edges of your feet here and rock yourself side to side. Center. Supta Baddha Konasana. Release your feet down. Soles of your feet together with your knees wide. Place your right hand to your belly, your left hand to your heart. Close your eyes. Deep breath into your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. 2 more. Deep breath in. Out. 1 more. Biggest breath in. Let it go. Exhale. Final Shavasana. Straighten through your legs. Rest your arms at your sides with your palms up. Let your body rest into stillness. Let your breath return to its natural and effortless rhythm. Allow yourself to settle into a quiet, still space, nourishing your body, your heart, your mind. Rest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, your wrists, your ankles. Turn your head from side to side. Through center. Point your toes forward. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead behind you. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest with your hands. Give a squeeze. Rock side to side. Gently roll to the right side of your body. Rest your arms underneath your head. Just taking another moment or two on your side. Just practicing the art of being present, not in a rush or hurry. Just content to be in the moment. Lift up to a comfortable seated position. Arms at your sides. A deep breath in, arms wide overhead. Reach up, look up. Hands to your heart, exhale. Bow your head, close your eyes. We close this practice together with a deep breath in. Exhale. Thank you so much for practicing. Until next time, thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Kids, yoga time. Yoga time. Yoga time.